Hello and welcome to You, and You. Today we are going to go over a beginner-friendly budget on our whiteboard. So we have our budget all set up here to go over this example of income of $5,000 and all the various expenses that you could have in your budget. This is just a quick and easy beginner-friendly budget to help you understand that it does not have to be hard to make your budget. It doesn't have to be difficult or scary. It can be very easy to sit down and get your finances in order. So the first thing you want to make sure you do when you start to go on your budgeting journey is you want to have a frequency. Is it by month, bi-weekly? Is it monthly? Semi-monthly? Whatever that is, you want to set the time frame that you are going to actually visit your budget every single month, week, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, whatever that is. The next thing you want to do is assess your income. How much are you bringing in? Whatever that total is, bring that total into your budget and document it. Next, you want to write down every single expense that you have. So on this budget, we have an income of $5,000, and then we have all of these different expenses: our rent, our car note, our electric, gas, water, sewer, insurance, groceries, savings, and our debt. And when we go through all of these amounts, of course, everyone's amounts are going to be different, and even your categories of expenses are going to be different. But the key is to document everything. So make sure you write down every single expense. And in this example we have here, we have a total expense amount of $2,735. So once you have your income, you have all of your expenses documented, and you have your time frame documented, you want to summarize and see where you stand with your finances for this time frame. So we have our income of $5,000, and then we have all of our expenses of $2,735, and then our cash flow is going to be whatever is left over after we allocate our income to all our expenses. So in this case, we are going to have $2,265 left in our cash flow. So once you know this number, that is a very important number for this type of budget, where we are going to say, you know what, this is what I have left. So for example, this will start to be what you would consider discretionary if you feel you don't have anything else that you want to put funds towards or any other financial goals. But we wouldn't want to just put all of this to discretionary. We would want to start to set some goals for this. So some of the goals we could set are in some investment goals, and also we could have some debt payoff goals. So on this budget example, we see we have $500 of debt going out every single month. We could take all or a very sizable chunk of this cash flow and start to knock this debt out, because then what will happen once you pay off this debt, guess what? That $500 amount will now become cash flow, and this will boost this amount by $500. So if you go ahead and you tackle that debt and get it out of here, then you will increase your cash flow, and then you can start to put that towards other financial goals like investments. And then this will be gone, and then maybe vacation, big purchases, big events that you may have. If you're going to have a baby, if you're going to get married, if you're going to buy a house, you can start to put these funds towards those goals and build your stash to get the things that you have plans for. So this was just a quick and easy budget setup to show you how easy and how quick it can be to just knock it out, to get everything documented, get your income out there, get your expenses, and see where you stand with your cash flow so that you can start to make plans for your financial future. I hope this was helpful. Please join our community of money masters and budget bosses. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and say it with me now. I'm a budget boss. I'm a budget boss. I'll see you later.